There is a place inside you where pain stops controlling everything. Not because the pain never existed, not because the body suddenly becomes perfect, but because something deeper awakens. A quiet place, a still place, a place where breath, awareness, and healing finally begin to move together. For centuries, Buddhist masters taught that suffering does not begin only in the body. It begins when the breath becomes tight, when the mind becomes restless, when the heart carries too much, and when the body forgets how to soften. But the moment awareness returns, healing begins. The Buddha said that the body is not an enemy, it is a sacred instrument, and when you treat it with respect, it responds with wisdom. Today, I want to share with you 6 ancient self-healing practices inspired by Buddhist wisdom. They are simple, they are subtle, and they are deeply powerful. Not because they force the body, but because they help the body remember what it already knows. Before we begin, take one slow breath. Close your eyes for a moment and say silently inside yourself, "My body knows how to heal. My breath knows the way. I am ready to return." Technique 1. The breath of space. The first healing begins with emptiness. Not emptiness as in absence, but emptiness as in room, space, freedom. Sit quietly. Inhale slowly through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold gently. Exhale for 6 seconds. And as you exhale, imagine that you are releasing everything your body has carried for too long. Tension, fear, fatigue, pressure, the invisible weight of the day. Then rest for a moment in silence. That small pause after the exhale is important, because in that silence, the body begins to open. Repeat this slowly. Do not rush, do not force, just allow. With each round, imagine a soft golden light moving from your belly into your chest, as if something inside you is being cleaned from the inside out. This is not just breathing. This is the return of inner space, and space is where healing grows. Technique 2. The hands of warmth. The palms carry a quiet power. Ancient monks believed the hands could awaken compassion when placed with awareness. Rub your hands together gently until you feel warmth. Not hard, not fast, just enough to awaken the energy. Then, separate your hands slowly and notice the space between them. That space matters. It is alive. Now place both warm hands over your heart. Close your eyes and breathe. Imagine your breath becoming soft light flowing from your palms into your chest, as if your own hands are telling your heart, you are safe now. You can soften. You can rest. Stay there for a few minutes. No pressure, no expectation. Just warmth, just breath, just presence. This practice teaches the body something it often forgets, that tenderness is also strength. Technique 3. The breath of the bones. Most people only think of the muscles when they think of tension, but deep inside, the bones remember too. The structure of the body carries memory. So now sit still or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Bring your attention inward. Imagine your skeleton glowing softly, like white crystal beneath the skin. Not rigid, not cold, steady, silent, strong. Inhale and imagine the breath entering your bones, the spine, the ribs, the arms, the legs. As you exhale, imagine old heaviness leaving the body like dust being carried away by wind. Continue for several minutes. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more still, more mountain-like. This practice helps the body remember stability, and when the body feels stable, the mind becomes less frightened. Technique 4. Inner water. The body is full of water, but in Buddhist wisdom, water is not only physical, it is also symbolic. Water carries emotion. Water reflects thought. Water remembers energy. So now take a glass of water. Hold it in both hands. Look at it quietly. Do not rush. Do not think. Simply be with it. Then close your eyes and whisper, "May this water become peace within me." Now drink slowly, one sip at a time. As you swallow, imagine the water moving through your body like a soft river, cooling the chest, clearing the mind, soothing the stomach, washing away fear. After drinking, place one hand on your heart. Feel the calm, feel the flow, feel the body responding. Because when you bless water with awareness, you remind yourself that even the simplest things can become medicine. Technique 5. The silent vibration. There is a healing sound that does not need to be loud. It does not need to be heard by anyone else. It only needs to be felt inside. Sit quietly. Bring your attention to the belly, just below the navel. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let out a very soft hum, almost a whisper, very gentle, almost invisible. Feel it vibrate in the belly, then in the chest, then in the throat. This is not about performance. This is about resonance. The body responds to vibration. It responds to calm sounds, to steady rhythm, to inner harmony. Continue for a few rounds, then stop and listen to the silence that remains. That silence is not empty. It is alive. It is the sound of the body settling back into balance. Technique 6. The light within the cells. Now place your awareness in the center of your chest. Imagine a small golden light there. Tiny at first, soft, warm, alive. With every inhale, that light grows. With every exhale, it spreads through the heart, through the lungs, through the blood, through the skin, through every cell. Soon, your entire body is glowing from within. This is not imagination for entertainment. This is inner recognition. It is the body remembering its own brightness. Now, silently say, "I am light. I am alive. I am healing." Again, "I am light. I am alive. I am healing." Let those words settle deeply, because the body listens. And when the body hears kindness repeated enough times, it begins to soften, repair, and trust again. These 6 practices do not fight the body. They do not attack pain. They do not force change. They create the conditions where healing becomes possible. That is the great wisdom. Healing does not always come through force. Sometimes it comes through permission. Permission to breathe. Permission to release. Permission to rest. Permission to become still enough to heal. And now, I want you to remember something very important. Your body is not against you. It has been trying to protect you, even when it feels tight, even when it feels tired, even when it feels painful. It is asking for care. It is asking for attention. It is asking for peace. So take these 6 practices as a path: the breath of space, the hands of warmth, the breath of the bones, inner water, the silent vibration, the light within the cells. You do not need to do all of them perfectly. You only need to begin. One breath, one gesture, one moment of awareness. That is enough to start. If this message touched you, subscribe to Buddha Inner Journey for more teachings like this. Like the video so it reaches others who need healing. And comment, "I remember how to heal." Let that be your intention. Let that be your beginning. Because the truth is simple. You were never broken. You only forgot your way back to peace. And now you are remembering.